10 years ago, if you told anyone in the US that tiny computers, devices small enough to fit in your hand or disappear behind a monitor, would start outselling full desktop towers, they would have laughed. Desktops were supposed to be big. They were supposed to be loud. They were supposed to dominate an entire corner of a room. But today, something unexpected is happening across the American tech market. Mini PCs are exploding in popularity, and they're quietly replacing full-size towers in homes, offices, dorm rooms, and even professional workspaces. The shift is so strong that many retailers say mini PCs are becoming one of the fastest-growing categories in computing. And the obvious question is, why are tiny desktops suddenly outselling the big, traditional towers Americans relied on for decades? The first reason is simple. Power is no longer tied to size. For years, bigger computers meant better performance. Larger cases allowed more airflow, more storage, more powerful graphics cards, and bigger power supplies. But modern processors changed the rules. Today's CPUs and GPUs are smaller, cooler, and faster than ever. A mini PC can now edit 4K video, stream games, run multiple monitors, handle office workloads, and even compete with mid-range desktops. Americans are realizing they don't need a massive tower for everyday tasks anymore. And that shift alone is reshaping the market. The second reason is space. Apartments are getting smaller. Dorm rooms are cramped. Home offices are crowded. People don't want bulky towers under their desks anymore. A mini PC sits on a bookshelf, behind a monitor, or even in a drawer. It's the perfect size for modern living. Compact, portable, and easy to hide. The third reason is price. Mini PCs often cost much less than a traditional tower. They use less material, require fewer components, and don't need huge power supplies or expensive cooling systems. For US consumers facing rising prices everywhere, mini PCs offer full computing power at a lower cost. And in a country where many people only need a computer for web browsing, schoolwork, video calls, and light productivity, a mini PC hits the sweet spot. The fourth reason mini PCs are rising is energy efficiency. They use far less power than full towers, which helps two groups of Americans. People working from home who don't want massive electric bills, and small businesses trying to cut monthly costs. A mini PC can run all day without drawing much power, something bigger desktops simply can't match. The fifth reason is the growth of remote work. Millions of Americans now work from home, at least part-time. They don't need gaming-level performance. They just need something reliable that doesn't take up space or make noise. Mini PCs are silent, cool, and perfect for Zoom calls, spreadsheets, emails, and multitasking. Companies are also buying them in bulk for employees because they're cheap, easy to manage, and easy to replace. The sixth reason is portability. A full tower stays in one place. A mini PC can travel. Students can take them from home to dorm. Professionals can move them between offices. Gamers can bring them to friends' houses. They fit in a backpack, something unimaginable with a traditional desktop. The seventh reason is design and aesthetics. Modern mini PCs are sleek, simple, and minimal. No giant vents, no clunky boxes, no cable mess. In an era where every gadget is shrinking, phones, chargers, projectors, routers, Americans expect the same from their computers. The eighth reason behind the rise is noise reduction. Full towers can be loud. Fans spinning, hard drives clicking, graphics cards whirring. Mini PCs are often near silent thanks to efficient cooling and solid-state storage. For people who want peace and quiet while working or streaming, silence matters. The ninth reason is modularity and flexibility. Many mini PCs allow RAM upgrades, storage swaps, external GPU support, additional ports through docks. Users don't need massive cases for customization anymore. The small form factor doesn't mean losing options. The 10th reason is the rise of cloud computing and streaming. More services are moving online. Cloud gaming, cloud storage, AI-powered apps, browser-based software. As computing shifts to the cloud, the need for huge processors at home drops. A mini PC becomes the perfect lightweight machine that handles everything through the internet. The 11th reason is education demand. Schools across the US are adopting mini PCs because they're affordable, durable, easy to replace, and simple to network. Computer labs can now pack more stations into a smaller space, and budgets go further than before. The 12th reason is media centers and home entertainment. Mini PCs are becoming the new all-in-one media hubs. They connect to TVs, manage streaming, play local files, run home servers, and even power smart home dashboards. Instead of bulky home theater computers, Americans are choosing palm-sized devices that can do it all. And finally, the 13th reason. Americans are rethinking what a computer should look like. For decades, we assumed bigger meant better. But tech has finally caught up with the idea that power can be compact. People don't want giant boxes, complicated setups, and noisy fans. They want something simple, modern, quiet, and powerful enough for everything they do daily. Mini PCs deliver that, and they're doing it at the perfect moment, when work habits, lifestyle trends, and tech expectations are changing in the US. So what does this shift mean for the future of American computing? It means full desktop towers are no longer the default. It means the average household may never need a giant PC again. It means the next era of computing in America will be smaller, quieter, cooler, and far more energy efficient. And it means tiny desktops, once seen as a niche, are becoming the new standard for everyday computing. Mini PCs aren't replacing towers entirely, but they are redefining what enough power looks like. And for millions of Americans, these tiny desktops are proving that sometimes, less really is more. Really.